Welcome to this step-by-step sewing tutorial for creating a glamorous glitter jumpsuit. A sparkling masterpiece for special occasions is just a few steps away. Let's get started. Start by gathering all necessary supplies: pattern, fabric, interfacing, sequin fabric, lining fabric, bias tape, zipper, and matching thread. Once everything is prepared, proceed to the first step. Start by cutting the fabric according to the pattern, following the lines carefully for accuracy. Trace all markings onto the fabric to guide the sewing process. Repeat for the waist pieces, fuse interfacing onto the specified fabric sections to provide structure. Secure the sequin panels to the front top pieces with pins. Use a straight stitch to attach the panels, ensuring they align properly. Repeat for the second panel. Join the shoulder seams using a serger to achieve clean edges. Next, serge the side seams to connect the front and back pieces. Attach bias tape to the neckline with a straight stitch. Follow the same process for the armholes. Double fold the bias tape and top stitch for a polished finish. Repeat the steps on the other sleeve. Press the sleeves and neckline for a crisp look. Assemble the outer waist panels with a straight stitch and pin them to the top. Secure the panels to the top with another straight stitch. Follow the same process to assemble and attach the inner waist panels to the lining. Press the seams to ensure smoothness. Darts can be sewn to add shape to the garment. Press the darts neatly after stitching to achieve a professional finish. Use a serger to join the side seams of the pants, one side at a time. Press the seams to complete the step. Serge the crotch seam, ensuring all edges are secured. A top stitch along the seam adds durability. Press the seam for a polished look. Join the top and pants at the waist using a straight stitch. Secure the crotch seam with pins. Straight stitch to join the crotch seam together. Bias tape can be added to the waist seam for reinforcement and a clean finish. Switch to a zipper foot on the sewing machine. Align the zipper to the back opening. Then use a straight stitch to secure it. Repeat the step on the other side of the zipper. Fold the zipper ends inward and straight stitch to secure the placement. Add a final stitch on the end of the zipper to complete the installation. A double fold is used to create a clean hem for the pant legs. Secure the hem with a straight stitch A finishing touch can be added by sewing a label onto the inside of the jumpsuit. And that completes the glitter jumpsuit sewing process. A stunning outfit is now ready for wear. For more sewing projects, subscribe and share this tutorial. Happy sewing!